In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to include PayPal fees in an invoice. If you want to reflect a PayPal fee directly on an invoice, the good news is that the process is very quick and easy. You can do it right inside the invoice by editing the amount section and adding the fee as a separate line. This is useful if you want the total to clearly show that an additional charge has been included, and it helps keep the invoice easy to understand for both you and your customer. To begin, open the PayPal invoice that you want to include fees for and switch it into edit mode. This is the part where you make changes to the invoice details before sending it or updating it. Take a moment to confirm that you're editing the correct invoice, especially if you manage several at once, because you'll be adjusting the final amount. Once you're in edit mode, look for the subtotal area. Under that section, you should see an option labeled Add for other amounts. This is the area that lets you include extra charges on top of the existing items already listed in the invoice. It's a helpful feature because it allows you to keep the fee separate rather than blending it into the product or service price, which makes the invoice more transparent. Click Add under Other Amounts, then enter a name for the charge. In this case, you can label it PayPal fee. After that, type in the amount you want to add. Make sure the number is correct before moving on, since this amount will be included in the invoice total. If needed, double-check your calculation first so the final total matches what you intend to charge. After you enter the fee name and amount, that's it. The invoice will now include the PayPal fee as an additional amount. At this point, you can review the updated total and make sure everything looks the way you want. It's always a good idea to read through the invoice one last time so the charges are clear and properly labeled, and that's all there is to it. By editing the invoice, using the Add option under Subtotal, and entering the fee as another amount, you can quickly include PayPal fees in a simple and organized way. This keeps your invoice clear, accurate, and easy to understand.